Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 different styles that you can do using scrunchies. So first, curl your hair to add volume. You don't have to do this, but it definitely helps if you have like thinner hair. It can add a lot of volume. I like to curl my hair in opposite strands. So first I curl one way, then I curl the other. I just think that gives your hair a lot more volume and lift. Okay, now that you're done with the curls, grab your favorite scrunchie and we're going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. So kind of part your hair right next to the temples is where I did it. So run your fingers there and kind of just pull it all back into a high ponytail. You can also use your fingers to rake through your hair and smooth it out a little bit. So you still have a little bit of volume, but it's not too messy if you don't prefer that. And that's it. If you're happy with the way it looks and the messiness, there's your updo. Okay, now for hairstyle number 2, it's going to be 2 space buns on top of your head. You'll need 2 scrunchies and bobby pins, which are optional. So first, part your hair down the middle. Right here, I'm using a pick because it's good for my thin hair. Now that your hair is parted down the middle, take half of your hair and kind of start to put it up almost in like a high pigtail. I'm pulling out some hair to frame my face, but you don't have to do that if you prefer a cleaner, more professional look. So you just pull all of that hair up into a high ponytail right on top of your head, loop the hair over, and then loop it over again, twisting the hair with the scrunchie this time. And now just do that with the other side. You can use matching scrunchies or different scrunchies. Just get creative and have fun. So now if you're happy with your space buns, then you're good. Otherwise, what I'm doing right here is I'm kind of pulling down the hair and bobby pinning it all around to give my buns a little more volume and a little more stability. And just make them look a little cuter in my opinion, but you can skip this step if you don't want to. And that's the finished space bun look. If you like it messier, go messier, or more sleek, your choice. Okay, and now for the third and final scrunchie hairstyle in this video. So I'm gonna take my favorite big scrunchie right here, and I'm kind of pulling all my hair up into a high ponytail. I think it's at like the crown of your head, but just right back there, really high up on your head. And I'm using my hands, my fingers, to rake through my hair to make it a little messy, but not too messy, and kind of get out all the big bumps. Okay, so now I'm happy with how my hair is, how high it is, and I put my scrunchie on my wrist, and I'm pulling out some strands of hair just to frame my face and give it a little messier of a look. Okay, now grab that ponytail with your hand with the scrunchie on it, almost in like a bear claw. Now pull the scrunchie over that ponytail, loop the hair with the scrunchie to pull it back over that little bun you formed, and wrap the remaining hair right before you put the scrunchie over. Hopefully that helps, and let me know if you want me to go over that a little slower. And now I'm just curling the strands right in front of my face just to add a little curl and a little fun, but I normally don't do that. So yeah. there's your messy bun, and this is probably my hairstyle I wear almost every single day. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.